Hello, my name is TeacherBelle and welcome to another tips review and tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like this video, comment, and share it to your friends. For today, I am going to show you an easy way to split, edit, merge, convert PDF files. This website is called ilovepdf.com. So as you can see, it has a lot of tools where you can convert all files into a PDF file. But what I commonly use is this one, the ones under organized PDF. So you can merge PDF, you can split a big PDF file into 2, 3, or whichever you want. I'm going to show that later. You can remove pages in a file, you can extract pages, just the things that you need. And this is what I always use, the organized PDF, where you can add, merge, delete, and rearrange the files. So let's do the merge PDF first. Of course, you will have to upload your files, and then when you're done, you just merge it, click merge, and then download. You can also add, if you missed to upload a file, you can add anytime just by clicking this plus button. Now for split PDF, this is what I was talking earlier. If you need to split a big file of PDF, for example, this one, you can set the page number where you want to cut or split the PDF. So let's start with 1, for example, until 20. And the other range would be from 21 to maybe 30. Now I have 3 files from only 1 file. And then when you download it, okay, split PDF first. And when you download it, you will get a zip file, because again, there are 3 files. Extract it, so click the zip folder. So that's how the split PDF works. Now remove pages. This one is, I think, self-explanatory. All you have to do is to upload your file and just take out the pages that you don't need. So click this one, X out all the files that you don't need before you click remove pages. Next is extract pages. You unclick or you remove the check mark for the pages that you don't want. So this is also similar to delete pages, except that for this one, you put a check mark on the files that you want to extract rather than taking out the files that you don't want. So I'm not sure which one is better to use, but the function is almost the same. Okay, that's the extract files. The organized file, this is what I commonly use because it allows you to rearrange, delete, and remove pages. So let's upload 2 files. And you can actually add more files, and you can delete it real time. X that out, it will be removed right away. X, what else? Okay, X them out. So you can see those pages getting deleted as you press it. And on the right section, you can drag the files to rearrange it. And you can even delete it if you don't need it. There you go. So you can do more when you choose the organized PDF depending on what you need. Now the compressed PDF is when you just want to reduce the file size of your PDF quality. Okay. Now there are other tools here, like you convert an image to PDF, a Word file to PDF, a PowerPoint to PDF, and an Excel sheet into PDF. There are also other edit options here where you can rotate your PDF, add page numbers, add watermarks, unlocked or protected, signed PDF. So there are a lot of features to choose from in I Love PDF. So if you work mostly on PDF files, this is a good website for you. And it's totally free. You can download as many PDF as you can in a day. So you're gonna love PDF with I Love PDF. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and share it, please. And if you have comments, suggestions, you can put them in the comment section below. Thank you very much and happy teaching. Bye!